Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in daily weather briefing. So the weather is likely to remain dry over northwest India during next 5 days because there is no expectation of any active WD or even the feeble WD over the region. But we are, as we have been forecasting since last 5 to 7 days, that there is a likelihood of a rainfall spell over central and east India beginning from today itself, and this spell may cause isolated to scattered rainfall activity during 10th to 12th over central India, and then from 12th to 14th over east India. So regarding this spell, we will be looking into it subdivision wise. So first of all, if the observed weather is discussed, so we can see here that in the minimum temperatures departure, as we can see, the lowest minimum temperature today was observed over Hisar with 3.6 degrees centigrade temperature, and most and some to many stations of North India were in the range of 6 to 10 degrees centigrade, and they had the departures of the range of 2 to 4 degrees centigrade, as we can see in this blue to deep blue color. But this deep blue color is showing that the minimum temperatures departures from long period average even went close to 5 to 6 degrees centigrade, and that's why the cold wave conditions were realized over 2 stations of East Rajasthan, then 4 to 5 stations of South Bihar, 2 to 3 stations of North Jharkhand, and also 3 to 5 stations of Gangetic, West Bengal. But since the temperatures, since we have currently a trough in easterlies running from East Central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast, and this trough is going into South Gujarat region, across North India, Karnataka, and Madhya Maharashtra, and due to northeastward shifting of this trough and also the location of anticyclonic circulation over North Bay of Bengal, these minimum temperatures over East India are likely to increase from tomorrow morning itself, and therefore the cold wave conditions over East India would abate, and therefore we are not expecting any cold wave conditions over the entire country during next 5 days, except over one or two stations of South Bihar, and also one or two stations of Haryana and East Rajasthan may report departures below 4 degree centigrade. Then as we have just seen that this north-south trough is likely to move east-northeastwards during next 3 to 4 days. So it is likely to cause light rainfall activity over East MP, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and Marathwada and northern parts of Telangana today and tomorrow. This activity may be scattered rainfall activity over East MP, Vidarbha, and Chhattisgarh. Although this rainfall, which is likely to continue on 12th as well as on 13th and 14th, but on 13th and 14th it will have comparatively lesser intensity, but this rainfall is not likely to go beyond light rainfall activity, and moderate rainfall may occur, but this will be only at one or two stations of these subdivisions, and also the probability of hailstorm occurrence and heavy rainfall, moderate to heavy rainfall occurrence is very less due to the absence of any mid-tropospheric levels support for this lower level north-south trough. So as we can see as we have seen in the rainfall graph, that isolated to scattered rainfall activity is likely during 10th to 12th over central India, and then this would slightly shift towards East India and southern parts of East UP, northern Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Odisha may receive isolated rainfall on 12th, and thereafter on 13th and 14th also South UP, South Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, North Chhattisgarh and northeast MP may receive isolated to scattered light rainfall. And during this period, we can also observe light intensity thunderstorm with lightning of light intensity over East MP, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh on 11th of February, and East MP, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh and western parts of Jharkhand on 12th of February, and then southern parts of Bihar, Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal on 13th of February, and again southern parts of Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal on 14th of February. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.